The team who won Breakthrough 2026 is none other than. We'll move on to the next one, which is Prompt ERP by Team Codesmiths, and the individual Yash Chavan leading this and his team, perhaps.
Uh, yes. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Okay. So should I start and share my screen?
Oh, yeah, please. All right. Once you start sharing your screen, I'll give you a countdown. Your time starts now.
Okay. So yeah. Firstly, hello everyone. So my name is Yash Chavan, along with the teammate Anjali Gupta. We are Team Codesmiths and presenting to you a solution from TRP. Any task, just one prompt away. So the problem statement that we have chosen is that teachers and students always struggle with repetitive academic tasks. Like the ERP systems are quite complex that we have in our schools and colleges, and the workflows are always manual. So this required a AI workflow that would make this easier. Just for an example, that for just marking an attendance, teacher has to do 6 clicks and 4 to 5 minutes per lecture, and in a day she has to do this 6 times. So these are some challenges I would like to quickly move. So presenting to you prompt ERP, you just type it, say it, and the AI handles the rest. So this is the kind of basic flow diagram where the student as well as the teacher can use our AI agent that we have built using the chat interface. The AI agent has all the specific tools that are required to make this agentic flow, right from WhatsApp to calling agent to grades, assignments, quizzes, etc. Each and everything is integrated. Now moving on to the technology stack. So we have used React for the front end. For the back end, there are two services. Service one is for the Node Express for the logical part. And for the agentic part, we have used Python along with some technologies and Gemini as well for the LLM part. Model context protocol for like calling the tools. These tools, we have made it custom. They are not pre-used or pre-built tools. We have written each and every tool to make this happen. Also some AI tools like Nnet and Vappy, Twilio for the calling agent and WhatsApp part. And this is a completely live product deployed on AWS for the backend services and on the Vercel for the front end. So now that I have explained a lot of things, I would like to quickly show in the prototype. So we have the prompt here. This is a live link. So I will just quickly go there. Also, just a quick note that for designing the UI, we have used Stitch, which is a product by Google for designing. Now coming to the platform. Yeah, this is the platform, which is PromptERP. There are two profiles as the teacher as well as the student. Due to the time constraints, I will just quickly try to cover as many possible use cases as possible. So this is the uh, credentials for the teacher. So when the teacher signs up, this is all the live data. This is not dummy data. It is like coming from the backend. So you might see that when it is loading, as the service is live from AWS, which is here. So it is taking time. Now coming to the main part, which is chat interface and automation, which are the two most important parts. The rest are like working assignments, grades, etc. Everything is there, but the main part is the chat interface. So from here itself, the teacher can just put in the prompt and the entire action or the entire steps will be taken by AI. So just to demonstrate, let's say this is the prompt that I have curated here to just show you. So I'm just telling that create a quiz for this subject for TA class with the title this, questions this. So this is a complete prompt, but if I just put in some half prompt, the AI will ask me to give the marks, to give the number of questions, etc. But due to the time constraints, I'm just putting in the prompt directly. You can also use voice commands, you can upload files. And now the AI will call the right tools in order to perform this task. And yeah, just quick note that if you feel like asking something, you can just pause me up in between. So yeah. Okay. So as you can see that this is the workflow that the AI has taken. So it is first finding the class, then finding the subject, and at the end it is publishing the quiz. So I had mentioned it to publish it, it will publish it. If I have not mentioned, it will ask me whether I to publish it or not. So if I come here and if I see in the quizzes, you can see that there is a live demo quiz which is created. And as I had mentioned that it is one question of 2 marks just. So if I just view this, it has created a live demo quiz. Just showing the another example, let's say that you want to grade the students. So let's say the students have submitted assignment and the teacher has to like grade 50 students, 100 students for one class just. That is a very tedious process. We tried to like, this is a real problem that we also heard it from our teachers. So why not make this automated? So what I will do is I will just put in this prompt. Can you please grade the students for the assignment of this subject, operating system this. So like this is a complete prompt as I mentioned due to the time constraints, but the AI will back and forth ask me the questions if I have put in some incomplete prompt. I will just put in this message. Just a quick note that on the right hand side as well, we can have all the recent chats. So the AI gets the context, whether you're asking a follow-up questions or you're telling to do a follow-up task, the AI will get it and it will be giving you the responses. So yeah, as the service is live, it is like taking some time. Yeah, it is like given the response. So as you can see, these are the steps which I just already mentioned. It is giving in a table format that what are the assignments due. So I have told it to do this one. It will be giving the students which have like submitted the assignment, and the main important part which our mentors have also told us, like Dhananjay was our mentor, and he told us that whatever complex or important tasks that have been taken, AI should ask you the permission in order to do that. Like this is the proposed mark because he has not submitted the assignment. So as the student is not submitted the assignment, so it is like giving this 0 marks. It is asking me whether I should allow this scoring, whether I have to allow this for every student, like decide, let the AI decide what is the score for every student, or I should override it. So if I deny and override, it will be giving my score to that particular student. So let's say I allow it and I will hit submit. So it will be assigning that particular score to that student. If I just open review page, okay, it is asking for every student, but I will just go to review page.
Half-time check, yeah?
Yeah, okay. Yeah. So in the grades as well, we can see that it has graded this particular student as 0. Okay, so we can directly navigate to that particular screen. Don't have to navigate complex menus. The AI will automatically give us the location where it is there. If it is the halftime, let's say that we can also upload notes as well via the title. Let's use the WhatsApp feature quickly so that I can demonstrate the WhatsApp part. So currently, this is my WhatsApp. I hope that you can see this. And currently, there are no messages like latest messages. So I will just put in that send a reminder to Arav, telling him that submitting his quiz before 5 p.m. today. I will just send this message. The AI will call the right tool. It will send a WhatsApp message as well. So it is telling AI send WhatsApp message. I will come here and yeah, this is the reminder message that it has sent. Also, we can apply calling as well for parents as well as the students, which is like also step. It can be done. It will be calling on my phone and just giving me a reminder. Lastly, for the student part, it is quite similar that please find out and tell me how many quizzes are pending. That can be done for as well for the student. I will just quickly show that. For the teachers as well, there are multiple options. They can create quizzes, assignments, everything can be possible just via the chat interface. For the student, I will just show it at the last. Right now, I'm just showing the automation part. So let's say the teacher has to send notifications to some students who are not eligible for a particular exam to complete their, let's say, attendance or complete some notes. So teacher can create an automation, which will be like, I will just demonstrate. So creating new automation, remove for now, and I will just hit OK. So it will be starting a recorder, which is draggable for me. Okay, so this is the draggable recorder. I will just go to this page. It is navigating and tracking all the clicks that I'm doing. So let's say I just put in B here. So these are the 4 students. Let's say the teacher has to, there are various filters, but teacher has to send notifications to these 4 students. She will click on this notification icon and send it. But she has to do this 50 times if there are 50 students. What if this can be automated? Like she has recorded the action, right? So this can be done 50 times as well without teacher manually doing it. I will just save this. If I come back to the automation is saved. Here, there are all the steps that are being clicked. I will just wrap it in a row loop. So loop in the sense, it will be considering all the rows that are present there. So this is the loop that is being put, and it will be looping through all the rows that are present there. Teacher doesn't have to do anything. She has to just record the action once. So I will just hit on run. Yeah, so it is also highlighting the things that I'm like, it will highlight this part. What am I typing? Yeah, B, and now it will be highlighting the notification icon. So I'm not doing anything via the cursor, the recorder doing everything. See, it is highlighting that particular part and what is clicked, and here it is like tracking through the loop. Each and every step, it is highlighting if you can see, and also we can see the logs at the bottom. So yeah, this was for the teacher, for the chat interface and automation. There are various things, but due to the... Yeah, so in the last 2 minutes, I will just show it for the student quickly. Like it is quite similar for the student, and it is a very like tedious problem for the students to check. They don't get reminders, so teacher can like send reminders on a daily basis. They can schedule it as well. So for the student chat interface, let's do it like please find out the pending quizzes that I have. I will just hit an enter, and the AI will do the workflow for me, and it will be giving me the quizzes that are pending. And same here, yeah. So it has given me the quizzes in the table, which I have attempted with the score and which I have not attempted. So everything is given to me. Last query for the student, hopefully that I have made it in the time. Yeah, what is my overall attendance progress? It will be giving me the attendance progress. Yeah. So it is telling me subject wise what is the attendance progress. And yeah, all this data is like real time. The data is real from the backend. So yeah, this was the problem statement that we had chosen. This was the solution, the main chat interface and the automation, and each and every detail is like tracked. So resources as well, finances, everything is like real data from the backend. So yeah, this was the solution. Hope I made it in time. If any questions, I'm open to them.
Fantastic, Team Codesmiths. This is amazing. I mean, what you've been able to pull in such a short period of time is really impressive. And us as an agency, having worked on building ERP systems before, we can really understand the thought that you put in, because yes, these are exactly the kind of thought we also put in when we worked on. So really amazing. Will you may now please stop your share.
Yes.
Put your mic and camera off. The winner of Breakthrough 2026. Some people might already have guessed it, and drum roll please for the winner of Breakthrough 2026. The team who won Breakthrough 2026 is none other than the project PromptERP. A huge round of applause for Codesmiths for winning Breakthrough 2026. Congratulations, Codesmith. Please come on up on stage and take the first place with your acceptance speech.
Yeah, hello everyone. Thank you so much for this opportunity. We actually learned a lot building this product with AI, also integrating AI features. It was a quite helpful learning experience for both of me as well as Anjali. So thank you for this opportunity and thank you for like this entire curriculum for helping us grow ourselves. Thank you so much. If Anjali, you could say something.
Hello everyone. Yeah, we are very thankful for this opportunity. It's great to see this. Like we are not expecting this, but like it's great. And like we think we built and yeah, finally we won. So we are very happy for this. Thank you, ProCreator team.
Yep. You're welcome, Team Codesmiths. You guys truly earned it. The amount of effort that you put in such a short period of time, envisioning the entire ERP system, making workflows that actually make sense in, colleges and university systems, able to think from the different personas perspective, be able to have a working solution up there, have features like WhatsApp integration, as well as AI queries, as well as having macros and recordings, and automating workflows. I mean, hats off, you guys really deserved it. A huge round of congratulations to you guys, and keep pushing your boundaries the same way.